This is Edo Unboxing Official. I'm gonna unbox another Lilipro hair clipper. Before I unbox this one, and it was a full metal, and I don't really know the name of this hair clipper. I guess the main Marshall or the L4, the model number. Okay, and this was the clipper. Got 8,000 RPMs, back and front. It's a full metal. As you can hear. So for me, it's a good clipper. The only cons that I saw with this hair clipper is this lever. It doesn't really function, it doesn't really click just the way I wanted it. It's okay, but I changed the blade. You can see. For a moment. So, RPMs. That's 8,000 RPMs. That's what they wrote, And Lilipro, they are not really good with, giving names to their hair clipper or something like that. So you can see here, no names, no name, maybe here or something like that. L4, that's the model number, And that brings me to this one, the new one. As you can see, Lilipro, and here no name, nothing. The backside also no name, color pink. I took the pink color, which is good. So let's open. Let's see what we got for us inside. Okay, there's the pink one. Looks good. Okay. So aside. So this clipper, this is the manual. Okay, very simple. Comes with a duster. See? Here. You got your guide combs. So this is it. So I don't really know how many guide combs, but because I'm not gonna use this one, that's the ones that I'm using. And here you got your charging cable, oil, and some other stuffs. Here. It's a USB-C. This is the hair clipper. It's a very interesting hair clipper with some oil here. The back side, so you can see no name, just Lilipro. That's it. The back side, what's the model number? Okay. Comes with a fade blade. No name on the blade also. And it's not a clicky lever, it's a floating lever, as you can see. And here you can really wonder why they got this one here. It's a ventilator. This is a ventilator that cools the motor inside, which is a really good idea, my own opinion, really good idea. So when you turn it on, the ventilator starts spinning, which is good. And you can feel the hair coming out from this place. And she got the USB-C. Here, I really like these grooves. And it feels good on the hand. Okay, it's a little bit bigger than the one of WMark. Bulkier, a little bit than the one of WMark. The one of WMark is longer, you can see, but skinnier. This one is bulky compared to this one. but still it feels really good on the hair, which is good. This one is a clicky layer. This one a floaty one. Okay, got a somehow thin cutter blade, not really a thin one, but still thin. You know, this one is more thinner. See? Hmm. Sound check. So when I turn it on, I don't know if maybe you can see how it's spinning inside. You know, just take a look. Wait a moment. See that? Interesting. So it's a plastic back and front. And it's not loud at all. So now let's check the RPMs. This hair clipper is really good. It doesn't get hot, which is really good. But now let's make it tear down and see how it's built inside. Okay. It's really interesting. Okay. This is the ventilator. See that? Now to the specs of this hair clipper. I don't really know. I didn't, I didn't see it. Got 3200 lithium ion battery, 4 hours charging time, and 180 minutes operating time. Got 8000 RPMs. You can see. Okay. And in euros, it's somehow 50 or 54 euros, I don't know. Got two colors. I took the pink one, and this is the light green. And yeah, I'm gonna leave a link in the description below where you can buy this hair clipper. For me, it's a really good hair clipper. Just charging time, it's a little bit too much, but it's okay, Yeah. So that's it. And this is the teardown. So this is the 3200 lithium ion battery. Okay. So this is it. And peace, man.